Hello everyone, I'm Adil. I'm from Palakkad, Kerala. Actually, I did the course in online. After completing my engineering in electronics and communication in Pollachi, I like to enhance my skill. So after that, I was searching for lots of institute. At last, I landed in Emertxe. It was an amazing institute. I learned lots of skill. It actually enriched my skills, and then my resume also got standard well. And then they also covered most of the topics like C and then C++ data structures and then microcontroller. And then they are teaching us from the basics to basics, and then it helps to understand the each and every concept thoroughly. And I will recommend everyone to join Emertxe. So actually they are providing the fantastic course to enhance the career in embedded domain. And then I landed in American Megatrends recently in Chennai. Thank you.